Did you know there's a real easy way that you could be building and growing your myEcon business? Yes, something you could show people that has real people getting real results, and it's all right there and simple and easy to use. Let's dive into it. Hey, my friend Daniel here. In this video, we're diving into myEcon and talking about how specifically you can promote your myEcon business for free and using one of the best methods that our team uses. And I'm going to walk you through it in this video. Even going to invite you in so you can check it out for yourself if you're looking to get started with myEcon or you're just looking to build your business. I'm going to show you a simple and easy way that our team uses. Now, this is also exclusive and proprietary to our team. I'm simply going to share the idea and the concept with you if you want to take this, and if you're already inside of myEcon and you want to take this and go do it yourself. But, please don't try to hijack what we're doing because, again, this is exclusive to us. I just want to show you the method itself because it works really, really well. So as you're building and growing your myEcon business, we have to think about, you know, where we are with, not only just making up money online, but home-based businesses. As I've shared with you in many, many other videos, some of the old school traditional methods to build a home-based business are just so old and tired. And most people don't want to do those things like making a list of your 100 friends and family, doing hotel meetings, three-way calls, in-home presentations. Most people just don't want to do that stuff. But at the same point, people do want to make more money from home. People do want to have something that actually works. And also, people want to be doing something that is relatively simple to do and also maybe cost effective. People are willing to invest money into things like solo ads or paid advertising if there is a return on that investment. And don't get me wrong, those things do and can work. And I've done them for years. And we have several people on our team that do paid advertising, but most people want to use what's right at their fingertips and what is trending right now, which is obviously social media. And people also like to see, and this is something that I want you to understand and know the term social proof. Okay. And you see that all over social media, whether it be on TikTok or Facebook or really anywhere, when people are showing, hey, I did this and I got this in return. So I started a home-based business. Now I'm making money. I posted this one thing and I made a sale type of thing. So people are looking for that sort of information so they could give themselves the security or the comfort that if they go start a home-based business, whether it be with myEcon or any other opportunity, that there's a chance that they could get results. They could know what to do and how to do it. And that's where the funnel team comes into play because we walk you through all these things step by step, day by day. We show you and give you the social proof so you can use it and it can help people know and understand that, hey, anybody could do this. You just have to actually go do it. So, what is this method that I'm talking about right now? I've showed you again in many other videos. And for whatever reason, if you're not familiar with the funnel team, if you're not familiar or know that we are one of the largest and fastest growing teams inside of myEcon, link in the description down below. I do a full overview of everything we offer and how we give away over $10,000 in free value to you just for activating your myEcon business. So we give you the sales funnels, we do the email marketing for you. We give you an app so you can run an entire business from your phone. We place you into our sales rotator. We give you viral content, the training, everything that you need is all wrapped up in your myEcon membership. And we have an exclusive and proprietary site that is specifically for our team. Now, one of these methods that we're talking about today is what's called the ATM method. Now, ATM, you think about ATM machine, and that's really what the ATM method kind of stands for is, you're literally showing people how to, use something and get sales. And that's so if you think about it, in regards to that, you're showing people this specific method in order to get sales. And it does and can work like an ATM machine. And it has generated our team dozens of sales. But what it also stands for is add, tag, message. Okay. So ATM method, add, tag, message. So what do I really mean by that? Let's break it down and I'll show you. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to Facebook. So our team actually has two Facebook groups. Okay, we have our main Facebook group that has over 5,000 people in it. That's where we plug all of our active paid members into. That's where we do our live trainings, we do announcements, we do rank up posts, we do all those things, sharing all the information, training, and so on. And we also have an additional Facebook group that is just for results, meaning when people are making sales, when people are getting paid, when people are generating leads, all of those things. And this here is an exclusive Facebook group just for the ATM method or ad tag message. So let me walk you through why it works, how it works, and why it's so effective. So here inside of this group, now keep in mind, we're only using this group, and this is a newer Facebook group, something that we started doing over the last couple of months here. And this is exclusively just to share results with your leads. So you can go through here and just kind of see, I'm not going to go through every single one of these posts because there's a lot of them. But this is just people on our team that are making sales, and they're just sharing that. Anytime someone gets any sort of result with their business, they share it here in this group. Okay. So you can see, people generating leads, people getting sales, all of that sort of stuff, people getting paid every single week. And there's a lot of great stuff in here. Okay. So the question is, how does this work? And what does the ATM method, you know, do? How do you do that with your leads? So the ATM stands for add tag message. So if I was talking to a lead, let's say in the comments on one of my Facebook posts, or maybe on TikTok, or maybe I was talking to them in Facebook Messenger, I can ask them a simple question. Hey, would you like to see proof that this actually works? And when they say yes, what you're going to do now is you're going to add them to this Facebook group right here. And of course, if you want to see this Facebook group, and I'll put a link in the description down below. You could check it out for yourself. So we're going to add them to this Facebook group. That's the A. Then we're going to tag them. So as an example, I could come to this post right here where Rashila was sharing that she gets paid every single week. So I would come here and I could literally, in the comments, I would tag somebody. Okay. So if I wanted to tag my buddy Bill, now, of course, you got to make sure that you do this after, okay, after you add them. You have to add them first. So you follow it in order. You add the person to the group, okay? Then you tag them. Bill, this is what I would do. This is the info I was talking about in our messenger chat. Okay. And then you would tag them. You would tag them in the post and say, boom, there you go. And then once you tag them, now you know what's coming next, right? M, you message them. You would message them back and say, hey, Bill, I tagged you in the post over in our Facebook group. Please go check it out and let me know once you've read it. Now, here's the cool part. Once you start doing this consistently and you start showing people the social proof, remember that two-word phrase I shared with you earlier, social proof, okay? This is how that starts to work, and more people start seeing that real everyday people, all walks of life, are getting results with their myEcon business. And this is a method that has closed dozens and dozens of sales with our team. And as this thing gets going, I mean, it has a few hundred people right now, then it's going to be over 1,000, then over 2,000. But this is working, and it's working really, really well, because we have people that are obviously duplicating and getting sales, getting results every single week. And when they do, they come here, they share their information, and then people continue to use that ATM method, add tag message. And then when the leads are looking for that social proof, this is where they will find it right here. These are just everyday people plugging in, getting started, going through our training, getting results, and we get to share that with the world, which is really, really cool. So if you're looking for a method that actually works, another tool in your tool belt of ways that you can promote your myEcon business, the add tag method, or add tag message method, a little bit of a tongue twister there, works really, really well. ATM method, and something we've been using for a couple of months now. And it's just great social proof. And when you have consistent social proof out there in the marketplace and with a business, it's undeniable proof that the business works. People are getting sales. And what does it do here ultimately? As you're here towards the end of this video, what would it do for you? What would it do for other people checking out this specific Facebook group, it gives them confidence and it gives them the, you know, the thought that this could work for me. Here's all these other people that are getting sales, generating leads, getting paid. Man, if they can do it, I can do it because we're nobody special. We're just people that said yes to creating more in life. And we just never stop moving forward. That's it. That's how we've been able to build such a large and such a successful team. So there you have it, my friend. So if you're ready to get started in myEcon, you want to start using this method for yourself, link in the description down below. You can get yourself started. If you have any questions for me, I left my phone number right here at the top of this video. That is also in the description down below. And lastly, if you made it to this point in the video and you have not subscribed, please do me a favor, smash that subscribe button. It really does help the channel, gets more people seeing this content, gets more people knowing about myEcon and how it's such a great business. Thank you for watching, my friend. Get on the inside, my friend. I can promise you it's much better to be in here with all the social proof and thousands of team members that all want to see you win versus standing there on the outside, looking in, pondering, doubting, debating. It's much better, my friend, in here because action, yours, fear. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.